baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, they have an acid-base reaction where the baking soda is the base and the vinegar is the acid. During the reaction, the baking soda takes a proton from the vinegar. When these are mixed together, the baking soda transforms into water and carbon dioxide. The bubbling effect is due to the carbon dioxide being released during the reaction. Since these two substances are in a closed bottle, the pressure builds up. A hole is punctured on the lid of the bottle, and when you move your finger from covering the hole, the pressure will be released and the car moves quickly in the opposite direction.